how to buy XCN token on Bybit wallet. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token on Bybit wallet, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under the Ethereum network. Open your Bybit wallet for that. So after you open it, I will just log into my wallet first. So after you log into your wallet, now select the Ethereum as a network from here. After that, click on this three lines, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So as you can see, this is our token, but make sure to read that alert here. And after that, if you are ready to go, click on confirm. So after you add this token to your wallet, now just search for it. So after you find it, I will just find it here. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here, click on swap. So we will be able to redirect you to Bybit exchange platform to be able to complete the buy process. So first of all, connect your Bybit wallet for that. And now as you can see, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy XCN token on Bybit wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.